Let's look at what we're going to learn in this course on search engine optimization. What we're going to start with is how search engines work, understanding what goes into the algorithm, how they display results, and how searchers interact with those results based on what they're searching for. The core set of skills that you are going to need to know is keyword research. Keyword research is not helpful just from a search engine optimization standpoint, but it's going to allow you to go further, developing additional skills. Because the core of keyword research is understanding how searchers think. The more you understand how searchers think, the better you're going to be able to do other tasks such as paid search marketing, analytics, social media, all kinds of online marketing, as well as some applications in offline marketing, are based in understanding the words people use when they search. And so we're going to spend a good amount of time on keyword research. And then, of course, once you understand the words and how people use them, we're going to apply it to the website. Where do you put the words? How do you arrange them? What are more important areas on the page than others? We are also going to cover some management tools that will allow you to manage your keywords, manage your website, and technically find roadblocks or problem areas in your site in order to troubleshoot and figure out what might be wrong. Also, beyond just your site, how do you apply search engine optimization in the world of social media and analytics and online business? The skills and knowledge that you develop from this course are going to be able to be applied in many other areas in online marketing. Also, a core function of search engine optimization is building links. There's a lot of things that you can do on your own site, and that's the on-page optimization. Off-page optimization surrounds the building of links to your site. Links from other websites to your website is critical in gaining high positions in the search engines. Also, how do you build links using social media and other search engine optimization techniques? We're also going to explore local and mobile search. This is the fastest rising area in the industry, and you need to be aware of how your site will render in mobile media and also understand how much people rely on their mobile phones to do local searches. Then, of course, it all comes down to planning. How do you start your plan? How do you build a management plan? And how do you go about deciding what needs to be done that day, that week, or that month? So building a plan and having an understanding of what you want to accomplish and the time frame in which to accomplish it is going to be very critical. And finally, how to measure and report your success. How do you measure if a search engine optimization campaign has been successful or not? And also, maybe you need to report to somebody else. Maybe you're on your own. Either way, you will learn types of measurements that will enable you to take action on your website, to figure out what needs to be done and how to compare working items to non-working items and build a plan for overcoming those areas. You will also learn how to report information up the ladder. CEOs don't need the same information as you do, and so it's very critical to understand what information to report and how to report it in order to get action taken care of. I wish you the best as we get started on this journey, and of course, there's a couple things that I want you to keep in mind as we go through this course. The first one is SEO isn't a one-size-fits-all proposition. There's going to be a lot of areas that I might present, and you're going to say, that's not really specific to me, Matt. That's fine. Search engine optimization is one of those areas where you learn the basic principles, and then you apply it based on your business, based on your personality. Most of the experts in search engine optimization never went to school for it. We came from areas such as journalism, programming, sales, writing. The backgrounds are extensive. And so, of course, everyone who learned to do search engine optimization has come from their own background and experience. It's up to you to learn the principles and then apply it in ways that make sense for you, your business, and your experience in online marketing. So don't get bogged down in the specific tactics. Look at the strategy and figure out how to make the tactics work for your strategy. And of course, the big picture is we're trying to make you a more successful business. We're trying to make your employer a more successful business. That's the goal of the entire program. So while we are talking about increasing rankings, the bottom line is we want to make more money. And of course, once you learn these skills, there are opportunities everywhere. Agencies, organizations, companies, you can even start your own business. Once you understand how search engine optimization works and you gain a little bit of experience, you can apply it almost anywhere. And of course, this creates additional skill sets such as social media, analytics, online marketing, pay-per-click marketing. You can create a lot of skill sets related to search engine optimization that make you a more marketable person on the job market. Are you ready? Let's get going then.